everybody. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Sound check, alright. Happy... Man, time is flying fast. Happy Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. How is trading, doing, charting? Yes, good morning, good evening. How are you? Everybody, never forget, my goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. You are first an analyst, then you're a trader. And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. We're going to work on this one today. We're going to go through the live market today. So in the meantime, everybody, feel free to type in the chat currency pairs and time frames that are maybe making you problems, issues, you know. Hello Mo, how are you? Did you receive the manual, Mo? Number two, you have a strategy in place. We are not going to work on this one today. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. We're going to work on number one, number three today. Please disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice, everybody. And for questions and homework, you have my Gmail. If you want the free manual, this one of the Forex Course 101, it's for free, send me an email. And if you want the secrets why 90% of people, doctors, lawyers, movie stars, engineers, architects, are not making it in the financial markets, you know, please visit the website, put your details in, and you're going to receive for free the, you know, the little book of the trading secrets. All right, everybody? Did I miss anything? I don't believe so. Today we have support, resistance, and pivot points inside the market structure. Mo says, yes, I got it, thank you. Thank you for being here, Mo. Hedge fund trader Mo, type in the chat a difficult currency pair. Everybody. Or a crypto, whatever. Those are the same concepts. Boss, do you trade cryptos? No, me personally, I'm not trading cryptos. I am investing in them. I believe cryptos are too expensive, my personal opinion, to trade. Okay, are too expensive with huge swaps and huge, what's the name in English? The difference between buy and sell. I forgot the name in English. Okay, everybody, so let's go first to theory. What we are going to learn today, and your homework is to study the charts. Moses, AUDJPY 4-hour chart, great. Okay, everybody, this is your homework. I'm going to tell you what you are learning. Your homework is to study the charts. Okay, so homework. Study the charts based on what you will learn today. Boss, what does this mean? Study the charts. Go through charts and try to figure out, is it true what you are learning? Makes sense? Does the market work in the way spread? Thank you very much, Mo. Spread. I believe in crypto the spread are too high, my opinion, you know, too expensive. Okay, just an opinion, but otherwise I'm investing in cryptos. And everybody, speculation, there is a market crash going to happen on Bitcoin, so don't get crazy, all right? Bitcoin is going to fall, speculation, you know, below 30,000, maybe it's even 20,000. We're going to see, maybe this year, maybe next year. No, this is speculation. Okay, so don't get scared. All right. So homework, study the charts based on what you will learn today. Somebody asked, what does this mean? Go through charts and try to figure out, is it true that the market works like we are telling you that market's working, all right? So if this is the market wave, everybody, all right, and this is the short-term trend, extension, retracement, extension, uptrend, extension, retracement, extension, downtrend, extension, retracement, extension, uptrend, and now the market must reverse, agreed? Talking about the blue, the market is in an extension, agreed? So sooner or later, I don't know how, this is how you need to think, everybody. You must tell yourself, I don't know how, I don't know when, but sooner or later, this market must retrace, all right? This is a fact. The market cannot move. Otherwise, the market must wave. Forex market, crypto market, stock market. The financial markets, in order to move, they must wave. This is a fact. Wouldn't you agree, everybody? Non-negotiable, not subject to interpretation. That's a fact. The market, in order to move, it must wave. Extension, retracement, extension. All right? So now I'm in an extension. All right? And I don't know how, I don't know when, but the market must retrace. Okay? Now, talking about support, resistance, pivot points, right? We have this support on the red. We have this support on the red. We have this support on the red, and this support equals the blue. What support is stronger? Oh, the orange. So everybody, the first two are supports on the orange. The third one, the lowest one, is the support on the blue, which equals the orange too. What support is stronger? The blue one or the orange one? Or the red one? There is no right or wrong, everybody. What do you think? Now, so we are trying to learn and understand how support, resistance, pivot points work inside the market structure. So if the blue and the red or orange, depends what you see, are on the same chart, which one is stronger? Meaning has a better probability for the market to react. And then we're going to check charts, all right? And similar question, if the blue is on the monthly chart and the red is on the daily or 4 hour AUDJPY, I'm always asking for AUDJPY 4 hour or 4 hour, which one is stronger? See everybody that this market is predictable to a degree. Mo says blue. The blue is the strongest. Forex Live, blue, how are you? Blue, blue, blue. So when the market does this, example, higher high, higher low, or when the market does this, higher high, higher low, how are those two, how are the blue ones strong? Talking about probability, everybody. So the market is going to come to the red past support, is going to make higher high, higher low. It might come down further down to the red or the orange, and it's going to make higher high, higher low. How are those two in terms of probability compared to the green one? Which one is stronger in terms of probability? Forex Live says monthly, very good. Okay, now there is no right or wrong, and this is not a strategy, but if you are going to buy at the red support, or if you are going to buy at the second red support, or if you are going to buy at the blue support, should you risk the same risk, or are those trades different? Boss, I don't get the question. If you know, if this does make sense to you, if you know that this is less probability, still probability though, if you know that this is less probability compared to this one, should you risk the same amount of risk, or should you risk less going up on the red and risk more potentially going up on the blue? Sam says monthly stronger. Very good, excellent. Boss, I didn't know this. Well, we are here to learn. We are here to learn, everybody. Should you risk everything half percent per risk? Just an example. Should you risk half percent in here? Should you risk half percent in here? And should you risk half percent in here? Or should you risk, just an example, it's your strategy, should you risk 0.25 up in here? And if the market stops you out on the red, should you risk another one, 0.25? And if the market stops you out on the red, and only at the blue, should you risk 0.5? You are not going to understand this yet, everybody. It's too soon, but see how risk management goes hand in hand with the understanding of probabilities. Does this make sense to you? Retail traders, not judging anybody, this is knowledge. Retail traders believe that everything is the same. Not judging anybody, you didn't learn this. This is knowledge. We, the institutional traders, we are groomed differently in understanding probabilities, and we understand that not all entries are the same. Does this make sense, everybody? So it doesn't really matter what strategy do I have, what methodology. If I understand that not every entry is the same, I should risk less on low probability setups, and I should risk more on better probability, right? Does this make sense, everybody? How to come to probability, this is more in the Forex course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader program. But Forex course 101, you know, just, yeah, it's too soon. Okay? It's too soon for you to emotionally understand this, but just intellectually, you know, that if you know, or you might know, whatever, that, oh, this is low probability, This is low probability compared to this one, so I should risk less in here, and more in here. Sam says I risk less by the first one. No, this is not a strategy, this is just a lesson, everybody, but you can rearrange the risk now that you are learning that not every trade is the same, not every setup is the same, okay? Professional traders, we are not risking the same risk everywhere and anywhere, okay? Boss, I don't believe you. Good. I love the non-believers. Knock, knock on some doors, on some institutions. Call your institutional trader, not John from the garage, but find really an institutional trader. Invite him or her to have a cup of coffee and ask them. Okay? Ask them. Marissa, do you really risk different risk? Or it's all the same? You know? Alan, the institutional trader, do you risk the same risk? Or do you have different risk for different setups? And come here and tell everybody what did you find out. But in the end, everybody, this is common sense, right? Okay, everybody, that being said, type in the chat currency pairs that you want to check. Mo is first, first comes first is third, everybody. Today is the time for you to put currency pairs and time frames. Mo is asking for AUDJPY for our chart. Okay. I know I've been too long on vacation, everybody, but did you build your charts? If you are fresh new to the show, don't worry, you are excused. But otherwise, I cannot yell at Mo. I cannot yell at Mo, everybody. Mo, it's new here. But I can yell to Sam. Sam, did you build are you building your charts? Have your charts set up and ready for trading, everybody. Before I went on vacation, you are supposed to put support, resistance, pivot points on the chart, alright? So, AUDJPY for our chart, was it AUDJPY? Most is EuroCAD 2, oh it was, give me a second, oh EuroCAD. Mo, do you want EuroCAD first or do you want AUDJPY? Okay, let's address EuroJPY first, okay? Everybody, should you buy or should you sell AUDJPY on the 4-hour chart? And the question is general direction. Do you, boss, what does this mean? Build your charts. Have the tools and or the indicators that you are using to trade. Make sense? I'm not your father, but if I were you, I would have extension, retracement, extension. I would have the market wave. As a beginner Forex trader on the chart, I would have the market wave on the monthly, I would have the market wave on the weekly, I would chart the market wave on the daily, and I would chart the market wave on the 4-hour chart or 2-hour chart too. Sam says, yes sir, all of them. Very good, Sam, congratulations to you. Everybody, so if this is the market wave on the 4-hour chart, how is the market wave? Is the market wave up or down on the 4-hour chart? It's a question about general direction. And I'm going to tell you a secret, everybody, that you are not going to like, but it's true. Okay, and I'm going to tell you a secret, everybody. It's true, right? Fair enough? It's true. And it goes like this. I need to understand and learn. I need to understand and learn that, I'm sorry to tell you, right, that if I get the direction wrong, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's true. The sooner you accept this, hopefully it's going to make sense too. I need to understand and learn that if I get the direction wrong, direction in terms of probability, no setup, everybody, no pullback if you want, no strategy, no system, no trading system, no magic strategy, no trading system or robot or expert advisor. So out here is, yeah, I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Okay. Or expert advisor. Melissa's going to laugh now. And not even God is going to help me, making consistent profits. All right, everybody? Mo says market is down. Sorry, boss, my internet is crazy, so I'm like, oh, it's all good, Mo, don't worry. Everybody, you might not like it, but it's the truth. Okay? And I'm sorry to tell you, but this is the truth. Tell yourself, write this down. I, the beginner trader, the intermediate trader, I need to understand and learn that if I get the direction wrong, in terms of probability, no setup, no pullback, no no magic strategy, no trading system or robot or expert advisor, not even God. I talked to God lately. Not even God. How many of you talk to God, everybody? Oh, please God, let this be a winner, please, you know. Not even not even God is going to help me to make consistent profits. Everybody, true or not true? Do you understand why Forex Course 101 it's all about you being an analyst and you trying to predict the market in the correct way? Do you understand now? Forex and crypto, you're an analyst trying to predict the market, learning about how the market works. You cannot become a trader unless you good news, it's a learnable skill, right? You can do this, all right? Nobody's born a trader. You are going to grow into one, okay? But it's also true unless you learn the skill, you cannot be a trader. Does this make sense? Mo is saying on YouTube market is down. Sam is saying on the 4-hour market wave is down, short and trend is up. So how are you going to make pips and money in terms of probabilities, everybody? What is less risky? Okay? What is less risky, everybody? Is less risky for you to buy and buy and buy and buy? Or is less risky for you to And there is no right or wrong, or is less risky for you to sell and sell and sell and sell. There is no right or wrong. You have scalpers, day traders, retracement traders, trend traders. All of those professionals are making money. And at the same time you have scalpers, day traders, swing traders, and all of those not professional are losing money. Make sense? There is a logic to the market. What you're looking at right now, it's logic. But fair enough, it's going to take some time to understand. So if the market wave is down on the 4-hour chart, but Sam says it's making higher highs, higher lows. In terms of probability, should you buy or should you sell? In other words, do you see Friday, do you see on Friday or next week, do you see the market up in here? Or do you see this Friday or maybe next week, do you see the market down in here? Boss, I don't know. Look at the chart. The chart is talking to us. The chart is talking to us, and you're trying to learn probabilities, and you're trying to learn how this market works. You are trying to get the direction right. Not every single time, but if you want to make money step by step, you need to get the direction right 60% of the time. Does this make sense? 50 might not be enough because you don't have strong risk management yet. Everybody, for you to see profits, you need to be right on the direction 60% of the time. Make sense? You have 27 currency pair to trade. Try to get 60% of them right. Week after week after week after week. I'm not saying do you agree with me, I'm asking you, does this make sense, everybody? But why, boss, why? If you get the direction wrong 60% of the time, everybody, this is common sense, alright? Here is the question. If I get the direction on 27 currency pairs, if I get the direction on 27 currency pairs wrong 60% of the time, how many winners will I have in a set of 10? What's the answer? Set of 10. You are an analyst first. Everybody, this question is common sense. What's the answer? It doesn't matter. You could be a janitor or a gardener. This question is that easy that you know the answer. You don't need to be a rocket science. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist, pardon my English. You don't need to be a quantum physicist, you know. You don't need to be an engineer. You could be a gardener, you know, or a janitor. If you get the direction on 27 currency pairs wrong 60% of the time, how many winners will you have in a set of 10? What's the answer? What's the number? In the meantime, Sam is saying on the 4-hour market wave is down, short trend is up, on the long term is sell, on the future it will go down. Very good. Is anybody in here on YouTube, Dukascopy Academy or other platform who says no, in the future this market is going to go up and is going to break all the 4 levels of resistance? And remember, there is no right or wrong, right? We are here to talk. Different traders, different mentalities, different perceptions of the market. Everybody type in the chat what you think. I need to take something. I'll be back in 20 seconds. Alright, sorry about that. Moses, is there a trick to drawing extension and retracement? And I get many when I try. Yes, no, there is the rule, okay? So everything starts from the monthly bands, okay? It doesn't matter what time frame you're looking at. Everything starts from the monthly bands. And when the market is in the upper band or the lower band, you're looking for a downtrend. Then you're looking in the change on the shortened trend. You're looking for an uptrend, and then you're looking for a downtrend. Okay, so the charting concept says that every single time that you see a change in the shortened trend, that then you can chart extension, retracement, extension. Okay, that's the trick. Short-term trend, the change in the short-term trend is the name of the game. Everybody, today you have the US dollar news and tomorrow you have the yen news. On both news, the yen, we're looking at AUD/JPY. It's supposed to react. How are you going to make pips and money? What's the plan, Mo? What's the plan? Everybody, you have 2 news events today and tomorrow that are going to influence AUD/JPY. What are you going to do? Make sense, everybody? Got it, thank you very much, you're welcome. Now, this is the 4-hour chart, right? Remember the picture from before, everybody? We were talking about the blue and the orange. So the yellow is the market wave, and the blue is we're going to make it green. The green is the short-term trend, right? High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. So let's make it green. Okay. Now, it doesn't really matter what the news event is going to say or do. All right. between the market reversing up in here, whoops, not this one, between the market reversing up in here, all right, on the green, give me a second, on the green, which is right now, and the market reversing on the yellow from behind, right? Extension, talking about the yellow, right? Extension, retracement. So it's extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Can you see the market wave? Place pending order on both sides. Mo is smart, he's going to straddle. Place. Unfortunately, it's not that easy, right, everybody? Not that easy. You can use trade, everybody, you can straddle, but try to understand probabilities, right? Oh, boss, give me something. Is anything wrong? Is anything wrong, everybody, if you short the market according to your strategy and you put the stop loss above in here? Is anything wrong? No, alright. Is anything wrong if I wait for the market to break the counter trend line before I enter the market and put the stop loss above in here? No, exactly. Is anything wrong if I buy this short-term uptrend and I risk, just an example, is anything wrong if I buy this short-term uptrend and I risk 0.25, quarter of a percent, and I put the stop loss down in here, and if the market stops me out, now I'm on the 4-hour chart, if the market stops me out with the bearish candle on the daily, so I short the market down in here with 0.5%. And the stop loss goes again up in here. Can you see, everybody, there is no right or wrong on what you do in terms of entries? Who is smart enough to tell me online what was the common denominator on those trades? Let's see how smart you are. What is the common denominator that most of beginner traders are not aware? To make consistent profits, what is the common denominator? It's a skill that you can learn, but you need to get aware. Setups, entry, again, one more time, everybody, I'm sorry to tell you might not like it, but entry setups are the least important factor in making money. Does this make sense? My daughter, she is 8, she can buy or sell a currency pair. Entry setups are the least relevant, least important. Does this make sense? You have other common denominators of success in trading. Not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platforms, somebody says, stop loss, congratulations. Exactly, the stop loss is the common denominator. Whatever you do, okay, if you short the counter trend line, stop loss goes up in here. If you short, let's say that the market comes up to here and start to fall. Just an example, stop loss goes up to here again, okay? But most of beginner traders, we don't like this kind of stop, right? Me, I'm smarter. I'm going to put the stop loss down in here, and I'm going to put the stop loss down in here. Can you see, everybody? Oh, but John is a seasoned, skilled day trader. Don't compare yourself to John. Everybody, you are an analyst first. Try to understand how this market works. Forget about the money for 1 year. See, you are not listening again. This is the trick. You want to make the money, but you have no clue why you are winning and why you are losing. By the way, everybody, if I get the direction on 27 currency pairs wrong 60% of the time, how many winners will I have in a set of 10? What's the answer? 4. If you get the direction wrong 60% of the time, statistically speaking, you are going to have 4 winners and 6 losers. Every set of 10, statistically speaking, you are going to have 4 winners and 6 losers. Analyst, how can I promote you to a senior analyst? How can I promote you to be a portfolio manager? How can I promote you to be a trader when you are wrong 60% of the time on the direction? Everybody think like me, alright? You are an owner, you are a manager, and you are choosing traders. You are looking for traders like I do, alright? And everybody, oh, give me an opportunity, please, give me an opportunity. How? How? If you are losing 60% of the time on the direction, how can I, promote you? Does this make sense? Sam says, we are in post-resistance, boss. It is risky to buy. There is no right or wrong. I agree with you. Okay, all good on any other questions on AUDJPY? Then we're going to check EuroCAD. Any questions, everybody, on any currency pairs? So this is the 4-hour chart. Now, talking about direction, see where is AUDJPY? We made, I'm not bragging, everybody, this is education, alright? We made tons of money shorting the yen pairs. Because the yen pairs are at the monthly bands. Not all of them, most of them. This is part of you being an analyst, everybody, that it's predictable. Short on trend, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Bam. Do you see an uptrend, everybody, on the daily, or do you see a downtrend? If you go to the weekly chart, right? Everybody, market wave, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Can you see it, everybody? Now you are in here. The market is at past support. Who is going to win? Is the monthly band stronger and is going to push this market further down, or is the market wave stronger and is going to make the new extension? Who is stronger? Those questions, everybody, are for you to understand probabilities. And remember, this is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. Oh boss, so you're shorting all the yen pairs? Yes, I am. I am shorting all the yen pairs. Okay, but this is not trading or investment advice. Try to learn, demo trade, and learn. Try to understand why. Does this make sense, everybody? One more before we finish for today. Mo said EuroCAD, 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 EuroCAD. EuroCAD, open the chart. Monthly bands. Sam, are you shorting the yen? Everybody, I'm not sure if this year already, because we have full schedule, but if not next year, we are going to have the index course for you to learn how the market moves with the indexes, yen index, dollar index. EuroCAD on the daily chart this time, right? So how does support, resistance and pivot point move inside the market structure? So I need to chart, everybody. Now this is the daily. I need to find extension, retracement, extension. Fibonacci out, Fibonacci out, Fibonacci out. So I need to see the change in the short-term trend, right? And there you go. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension up to here. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, short-term trend, right, Mo? We need to find the short-term trend. So from here to here, everybody, this is not a short-term downtrend, so it's all extension, right? And then you have lower lows, lower highs, so this is a retracement, and you have lower low retracement again, and this is not a retracement, everybody. Give me a second. Retracement, there you go. But we have, the market broke the market wave, right, down to here, so you had a down, extension, retracement, extension on EuroCAD daily chart, and now you have extension, retracement, extension so far, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, everybody, so how should you trade EuroCAD to have a better chance? There is no right or wrong. Can you see how support, resistance, pivot points work inside the market wave? The market reacted to this pivot point inside the market wave, and then the market reacted 3 times to this pivot point, broke in here, no reaction, then the market reacted to this pivot point, went down to this pivot point, broke the first one, the second one, the fourth one, reacted to this point, got in between, reacted to this pivot point, and reacted. Can you see how the market moves, everybody? Not every single time, of course, but a lot of times on the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, the market reacts on support, resistance, pivot points. Can you see it? This might not be relevant if you're a swing trader, but it becomes very relevant if you're a day trader trying to take advantage intraday. Make sense, everybody? If you are here on this day and you are shorting the 15-minute chart, all right, this becomes very valuable to you in terms of profit taking, because the market went down, 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 don't trade near the pivot point. You should get out in profit, and if you are not skilled enough as a day trader and you leave your short trade open, what happens most of the time? Not every single time you have winners too, but most of the time you are giving back the losers to the market. And everybody, if you are in the markets for more than 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years plus, how can we help you? Next level number 2. If you want consistent results, learning the mindset and the heartset of the professional traders, ask for the Forex course 2, the institutional trader course. If you've been around the block for 2 years or more and you're not making it, this course, it's a must. Why it's a must? Because you're not stupid, right? But yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge, everybody, and this knowledge is your next level. Make sense? Forex course 101 is the basic course, but if you've been around the block for 5 years plus and you are not making it with the premise that you understand support, resistance, pivot points, and the other technical stuff, please come to the Forex course 202. Pat yourself on the back. It's not your fault. You just didn't learn how institutional traders make money, right? It's a different mindset. Okay? You think differently, you learn differently, and you train differently. Okay, everybody, see you back tomorrow with another lesson. Until tomorrow, stay strong, do the homeworks, and trade like a boss. Never forget, you're the boss of your account. This is the boss signing off.